love this little organizer. I have 5 kids, and on a regular basis, my car is filled with toys, snacks, books, homework, and so much more. With this organizer, my kids can bring the items they want to entertain themselves, and it is all kept well organized in this. This is how it comes. It is small and compact, so when you aren't using this and need to store it, it folds small enough to still keep it in your car, out of the way. This feels like a good material, thick and durable and easy to wipe clean, which is exactly what I need when it comes to items my children are using. Although this is not just for kids, I need to get one for myself now because I can keep chargers, cleaning items for my car, CDs or DVDs, and snacks for myself, or so much more. The size of this is great to fit right under my toddler's car seat on the floor, in between the seats, or it can easily fit right next to my child on the seat, or right next to my child on the floor, so basically almost anywhere. This holds so much. With my youngest being a toddler, I don't always take a diaper bag with us, so having something like this that can still have bibs and an extra set of clothes, plus a big variety of toys to keep her entertained is a must-have. Even my older kids have loved having a place to keep their MP3s, movies for the car, snacks, and coloring books. This is great for anyone who wants to keep their car more organized. I am so glad this was gifted to us from the seller to tell you all about because it is fantastic and I highly recommend it.